How many of you have call of God on your life? You think one day it will happen, but they will give you all, you start preaching. Then it's a ministry I've started. Don't go and pray. Don't go and spend hours and days and days and days and months and weeks and years praying and asking God, what will you do? Use your daytime and go to work. The night time, find Him. What do you want for my life? I don't want to live empty. I don't want to live like this. Please help me. Through the night you prayed, in the morning you went to work, in the evening, please, and do it consistently every day. And see, He will pass through the door of your room and come inside and tell you were born for a purpose. But you are too lazy to seek His face. You are looking for somebody to lay hands on you and tell you that your problem came from your village. No problem is in any village. Nothing on earth affects an ordination from God. Nothing on earth can change God's plan. If the man is ready, God is ready. So I will make a way in the wilderness. I will make rivers to fall in deserts. Behold, I do a new thing. Behold, I make all things new. That person that thinks everything has finished in his life, wait, may something touch him. If I dare you, try it for 6 months. I dare you, try it for 6 months. Wake up and tell God, why was I born? Every night, 3 hours, 4 hours. Why was I born? Cry and ask God. He will come to you and you find out that for 17 years you have wasted your life. He said, actually, if it's about your life, I actually ordained that from 12 years you were supposed to do this, but now you are 17, now you are 25. You are behind schedule. I will not die like this. For I have slept in the night and my eyes captured great things. I see things God wants to do with my life. I'm not there yet. Boy, I'm not satisfied. God, you must bring your word to pass. And don't stop praying until it happens. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours every day. Bring your word to pass. Bring your word to pass. You are not a man, you should lie. Keep doing it. You will see roads will be coming out of where you didn't expect. You are too lazy to seek the face of God. Too lazy. And you think God, He will understand, He will understand. Hear my announcement, God does not understand laziness. So I will seek your face until you show me your way. Blessed are them that hunger and thirst. If these people can pray, if they can pray. Sometimes the more you pray, the darker the things become. Keep praying. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop until something breaks open. Don't stop. Every night, 2 hours, 3, keep going. God, I don't want to die like this. God, I don't want to be a carnal man. God, change me. God, change me. God, change me. Keep doing it every day. Change my life. Change situations. Change it, change it. Why was I born? I seek not my own. I seek your own. I seek the kingdom. Oh God, is you. It's all about you. And every day you are praying. Sometimes your greatest problem, some of you, is that you have listened to too many sermons. Unnecessary chants that has made you go and copy people's tongues. You no longer pray. You are shouting a chant that doesn't have body. Pray and pray and pray and pray and pray. Let the heavens open. Let my countenance change. Let devils run. God, God.